Alright, so today is back day. We're gonna be doing weighted pull-ups along with heavy back rows. For the weighted pull-ups, we're gonna be doing 2 sets of failure with heavy weight. Then we're gonna drop the weight, do our next 2 sets of failure. Then we're gonna do no weight at all, and then just do 1 set to failure. With the heavy back rows, we're gonna be doing a 5 by 5, and on the last one we're gonna go to failure on that one. That's how I tend to feel a burn in my back. That's how I grow my back. you know I usually do back day a bit earlier, maybe on Monday or so, but today is Tuesday, so I'm gonna get done regardless. So yeah, let's get into the workout. Alright, so right now you can see I have about 20 pounds on the rope. Unfortunately, I don't have like one of those belts that can hold weight, so I just substitute with a rope. But regardless, we're gonna get this set done. So first set, the failure. That was a very good set. We get about 8 or 9 around in that set there, so let's try to get about the same. That was pretty good. Got around 6ish, couldn't quite make the 7, but that's fine. We're gonna drop the weight now, put it down to 10, get into the next set. Alright, so we dropped the weight, I dropped the weight around 10 pounds. So from 20 to 10, for half. Let's see how much we can get. That was a pretty good set. Got about 8, 9ish there. Let's try to do the same for the next set. Alright, let's get into the next set. That's a hard set. That's a good set. Now I'm about to drop all the weight I have on right now and just do body weight only. Okay, so since this is the final set of the pull-ups, I'll be going to failure on this one. think I get about 5-6 there. Can't remember. But I think I'll just do one more set as it was a low amount of reps. So you're on the same 5 or 6-ish. Yeah, so in total about 11, 12. That was a pretty good set as well. It was hard. I think what's happening, my forearms giving out before my back actually gives out. So in the next video, I have a video dedicated to training your forearms, because that is your grip strength and that allows me to hold on to the wall longer when I want to train your forearms. Now I'll be getting into the heavy back rows, and for the rows, my bar over here could only hold about 100 pounds, and that is how much weight I have in total. So we'll be doing the 100 pounds for about a 5x5. On the 5th set I will be going to failure on that set, and that does really give me thickness in the back. So yeah. Alright, so we'll be getting into the first set of the rows, 100 pounds on the bar. Alright, so I think I'll drop the weight down to 80 pounds because seeing how I do the pull-ups first, my back kinda sore, so I don't think I'll be able to make all 5 sets with 100, so I'll drop the weight. Alright, so this is the second set. And into the third set now. Fourth set. When you do the rows, try to pick it up as you're starting into a deadlift, and then kinda arch your back, like push your bum out while pushing your chest out, and then you should get into a good little formation. Let's go to failure on this one. We can wrap the video up. That was a pretty hard set.